The energy at the Indiana Fever practice is absolutely electric right now. You can see the chemistry clicking with every pass, and that ball movement is looking incredibly crisp. They are finding the open lanes with total confidence, and the defensive hustle is exactly what you want to see this early on. This squad isn't just practicing, they are making a statement, and if they carry this rhythm into the season, it's going to be a wild ride for the fans.